Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Skrill app on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your mobile phone and open it. Now tap onto the search bar and type Skrill and search for it. Here you can find the Skrill app on the second option. Now tap on it. Then tap onto the cloud-like button to download the app. If you are downloading the Skrill app for the first time, you will see something like this. You will see the Get option like this. Now wait for a few minutes. Then the app will be installed. Now tap onto Open button to open the app. Now the app is also opened. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Skrill app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.